Buying a home is exciting, but let's be real, the mortgage process, it can feel overwhelming, full of unfamiliar terms, paperwork, and deadlines. I'm Pauline Lee, a licensed mortgage broker and real estate agent. I help buyers like you every day, not just get approved, but feel confident every step of the way. In this video, I'll walk through the entire home buying process, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect, what to avoid, and how to move forward with confidence. Whether you're 30 days from buying or just getting started, this video will help you get the inside edge. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around till the end. I'll share a pro tip that could save you thousands over the life of your loan. Step 1. Get pre-approved. Step 1 is getting pre-approved. Think of this as your official green light to start house hunting seriously. To be honest, most real estate agents, and certainly sellers, won't even consider working with you without a pre-approval. Why? Because they want proof that you can actually close on the deal. Don't skip this step. Don't waste time looking at homes that might not be within your budget. Getting pre-approved helps you understand your price range, set a realistic monthly budget, shop with confidence, and compete against other buyers more effectively. What's reviewed for pre-approval? Your income and employment, monthly debts, your credit history, and your savings and assets. You'll usually need to submit recent pay stubs, W-2s or tax returns, and bank statements. We'll also need a credit report. Need help getting started? Download my free mortgage pre-approval checklist. The link's in the description below. Or book a free call. We can start with a casual chat about your income, budget, and goals. Step 2. Start house hunting with power. Once you're pre-approved, the fun part begins. But it's more than just scrolling Zillow. I suggest working with a real estate agent who will help you look at homes that fit your budget and, more importantly, your goals. A real estate agent will help you prioritize your must-haves versus nice-to-haves and show homes that align with your buying power and loan type. If you don't have a real estate agent, I'm happy to connect you to one who knows the local market and will prioritize you, especially since I have pre-approved you. Together, you can focus on finding the right home that fits your desires and financial goals. Drop a comment with your top 3 must-haves for your future home. Is it a yard, a home office, a walkable neighborhood? I'd love to hear what matters to you most. Step 3. Making an offer. Found the perfect home? Time to make an offer. When you have identified a property that meets your criteria, your real estate agent will help you prepare an offer and negotiate to help you win the bid. The essential elements of an offer include price, financing, contingencies, and timing. Price. Having gone through the pre-approval, you should have an understanding of your target price and financing terms. Contingencies. The most common contingencies are the home inspection and mortgage. The inspection contingency allows the buyer to have a professional home inspection conducted within a reasonable time frame. Remember, there will always be issues, especially if the home is not new construction. If you're not completely comfortable with the home's condition, you can terminate the deal, usually without penalty, or sometimes renegotiate. As a mortgage loan officer, I highly suggest you keep the mortgage contingency written into your contract, especially if you need a home to buy. This protects your deposit if something goes wrong with your loan approval. Timely performance of contractual obligations is crucial. Delays can lead to serious consequences, potentially allowing the other party to terminate the contract with financial penalties. My objective is to help you meet your contracted deadlines. A final loan approval can take 21 to 30 days if everything is in perfect order. So being pre-approved gets you more than halfway there. Your real estate agent will give you guidance on how these elements should be structured based on what is standard and how competitive the situation is. Want help crafting a strong competitive offer? Book a free offer strategy session. My calendar link is below. Step 4. Loan application and processing. When your offer is accepted, congrats! Now it's go time. You and I, as your loan officer, will reconvene. I will sharpen up your loan application, update your documents, and submit to a lender with the best rate and loan program for your scenario. The underwriter will basically verify my work. If I did a thorough job, expect to have an approval within a few days. Clearing conditions. Although I pride myself for thorough pre-approvals, expect some conditions. Clearing conditions timely is highly dependent on your responsiveness. Be organized and be sure to reply to additional requests as soon as possible. so we can address any issues. My goal always is to help you meet your contracted deadlines. Most loan situations will require an appraisal. A third party inspects the property and assigns a value based on the property's condition and comparable transactions in the area. It is important that the lender knows what the collateral is worth. A title exam is crucial to ensure the legal ownership, the legal description, and all liens are cleared when ownership is transferred. If the property is a condominium, the lender will further review the health of the project building and financials. I've created a free road to closing timeline so you can track every step. Download it below. Step 6. Final approval and disclosures. After clearing all conditions, the lender issues a clear to close. Those are my 3 favorite words. When we have a final mortgage commitment, we'll communicate with all parties, you, the buyer, the realtors, and escrow agents, and prepare for the closing date. The escrow agent and lender will coordinate final numbers, which are summarized in a form called the closing disclosure, which breaks down the loan amount, interest rate, monthly payments, closing costs, and total cash due at closing. We'll review this document together to make sure everything matches your expectations and you understand everything that went into the loan. Not sure what all those line items mean? I offer free closing disclosure reviews, even if I'm not your lender. Step 7. Closing day. Finally, we're at the finish line. You'll sign your paperwork in person or electronically, transfer your funds, and get the keys to your new home. I'll be there the entire time coordinating with all parties involved and support you all the way through. And I don't disappear after closing. Even after you move in, I'll check in with helpful homeowner tips. I handle both the financing and real estate strategy. Here's your bonus tip number 1. If you're preparing to buy, focus on paying down credit cards, but not closing them. Even small balance reductions can boost your credit score and help you qualify for better rates. That could save you tens of thousands over the life of the loan. Bonus tip number 2. Keep a record of any large bank transfers. Lenders need a clear paper trail for all monies going towards the purchase. I hope this gave you some peace of mind and clarity. The mortgage process doesn't have to be scary. You just need the right guide. So if you're ready to take the first step, or even if you're just gathering information, I'm here for you. Let's talk about your goals, your budget, and what's possible. Click the link below to schedule a quick call. I'd love to hear your story and help you make a confident move forward. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more tips, and download your free guides below. Book a free 15-minute strategy call. The link's in the description. I'm Pauline Lee, a real estate agent and mortgage loan officer. My goal is to educate and make you feel confident in your home buying journey. I encourage you to get pre-approved.